Hello everyone, thank you once again for joining us. Today is Wednesday, again 6 p.m. Central Europe time. This is our upload day. If you are new to this channel, you are seeing my face for the very first time.
Waited for, oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love, and I say
This channel is all about giving tutorials, education on beauty products, and how to define the real beauty in you. We also give DIYs on how to make beauty products from our home remedies. Also, we give tutorials on how to make different looks of makeup and different types of hair installation. We do unboxing and review of beauty products, hair, different things. If you want us to talk about your product, you want us to unbox your product, to give awareness about your product, you can contact us from the email address. It's on the about section and also on the description section. Contact me by email and you'll be glad you did. Thank you all once again for always keeping up with us. We are so grateful. I say thank you. God bless you all. By seeing a lot of comments, a lot of response from everyone, this really motivates us and give us the strength, the energy to do more. So guys, today's video is on unboxing and review of hair wig. I got a wig and some webs from a shop in Amazon. I'm going to be reading the shop, you know. Like I said in my previous video, if the marketer don't look for you, look for them. I always do my hunting. I saw what I like, I will see what I like, I search for it, then I will write or chat them up. Sometimes I have to send my YouTube channel link. They'll see what I do or what my channel is all about, and I'll get a gift. Easy like that. There is no harm in trying. Sometimes I might write email to like 10 shops, 12 shops, or even more. Maybe few will reply, but that will not discourage me. Don't be discouraged. Keep on pushing till we are there that one day they will be begging us to be their brand ambassador. It's all step by step. Let's keep on pushing together. We can. One day we'll get there. So like I said before, today I'm going to be doing unboxing and review of the hair I got. The package was really bad packed, you know. So maybe I will see the shop name inside. So it was brought by DHL. I was not at home, so they dropped paper. I went to collect it. So this is the packet. I begged, I requested for a wig and 3 bundles. These 3 bundles, I'm going to also customize it to a wig. And this wig, I'll be sharing it here as well. So this is the packet, like I said. So I'm just going to tear it like that style, you know. Because in such things, I'm so impatient. I'm always curious about it. This is body wave, 3 bundles, and a wig. This is what I got. Thank you so much. What is the name of this shop? Their name is BeautyKonzept GlamHair. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this wonderful gift. I so much appreciate. I'm going to slide this wig. I'm going to customize this to become a wig as well. I'll be sharing the outcome with you guys. And if time and my energy permits me, maybe we can make the wig together online. So if you want me to give the tutorial on how I am going to customize this wig, I think is 16, 14 and 12. I'm going to customize this 3 bundle to bank cut, what some people call pony, what some call it French cuts, different kind. This hairstyle that you have to trim here, and the other one will come down like that. So if you are watching now and you want to see how I will customize this 3 bundle, please don't hesitate, put it on the comment section. Tell me, please, Maggie, I would love to watch you customize this. So then I will try to gather my energy to give the live tutorial, or I will do a video on the tutorial and I will also share it. So the big deal for me here is this wig. Something is like blue or green. They call it what, ROT 4X blue. So it came like this in this plastic pack, and this paper was inside. Maybe the purpose of this is to make it stand. Oh God, I wanted to say there was no gift. Also, they added a hose cap. This cap is very good when you want to use lay your wig properly. You can use it. Also, I use it as a protector to protect my natural lines from getting scratched from the wig. So it's like this. I think this thing was the 4th corner, so I'm going to be tearing it. So it's like it was hooked here to here, and they had paper or a foam inside. So I'm going to, oh, don't mind me, I'm so impatient. I'm supposed to use scissors for this. So this is the color. I think this is the first time I'm having this color. So this is the logo. It's not, they just only wrote S blue. It's blue. So they added it say throw away. I think is the care. This is the substance to avoid insects from going in. And yeah, the foam and the paper. Oh, those ones are not interested to me. So, and the hairnet. The hairnet was also there. Oh my God, the hair is really sicky. So I'm going to be doing the after use is a T closure. I think this is the one. It's called 13 by, this one is 13 by 2 or 2 times 6, 13 times 2 times 6 here. You know, it's just only this corner. I think here is a little bit brownish, so I'm going to be testing this hair on me. So, and they have one comb here, one comb there, 2, and a 3rd one here. There is a label. They wrote 100% human hair and made in China. Okay, but the hair is like, it's really smelling like synthetic hair, but I don't know if it's 100% human hair. So I'm going to take my lighter and draw some string and burn it. When it's 100% human hair, it will smell like a roasted meat, you know. They have lots of line drawing on it. Anyway, So let me take off this wig and put it on. I'll see you guys in a minute when after slaying this wig. Don't go anywhere. This is the outcome on the hair. I didn't even expect that the blue hair will really fit me somehow. So give me your opinion. Did the hair look good on me, or is the color a yes or a no? But for me, I love it. And I think when I'm really dressed on a color that is like silver or direction blue like this, it's really good. But I'm really loving the silky down, but somehow it's really looking as if it's not I don't know, I'm just not trusting the texture if it's a human hair or not. So I'm going to do my local test now before washing. So I just like take out some hair, and this is a lighter. Just take out some hair from it. So when it's original hair, to burn and change to powder, it will be smelly like a roasted meat. When it's not original, it will join together and be hard like a plastic. So smelly like a roasted goat. Yeah, you see it just changed to powder. Is yeah, it's real original hair. This is my first method of testing. If it were to be a hair that is mist, a mist hair, it will just burn and it will be hard like a stone. So this is original hair. So this is 100% human hair, confirmed and trusted. So guys, like I said, the hair is original. The other hair, I will be customizing it online. And if you want to be seeing more of this hair on me, different styling with different outfits, keep up with this channel, and we'll be very happy to have you as one of our family. In this channel, we also have the membership join button. If you want to be a member, please click on the join button and you'll become a member to this channel. There are lots of goodies, especially for members only. Check that out too. For now, I'm going to say thank you so much for coming up along with me to see what we have in the pack and the testing of the hair and all of that. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy to have you all again next week, Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. For now, I say bye. Stay safe, stay protected. Give love, share love, and love will definitely come to you. For now, I say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See the hair. See the hair. Ho, 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 ho. I'm not